If your ice machine is not making ice, not making enough ice, or is making real funny noises, chances are it might need to be cleaned. Surprised? Well, you shouldn't be, because ice machines should be cleaned once every 3 months. How do you do that? Well, you do it yourself by running some proper ice machine cleaner through the ice machine. It takes away all the scale and buildup. And also make sure down below you have on all the air-cooled units a condenser, a blowout here. Make sure your compressor breathes nice and smooth. Or you can just call us at BSF and we can send Mardoni over to clean your ice machine for you.